Good morning, class. We are doing chapter number 13, set concepts. Today, our new topic is subset. Okay. If each element of set A is also present in set B, children, then set A is said to be the subset of set B. Now, let us consider one example, children. Then you will be able to understand it clearly. If set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, okay, and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now can you see, children, all the elements of set A are already there in set B, children. Therefore, set A is a subset of set B. You can write it like this in symbolic form, that A is a subset of B. This is the symbol of subset, children. It means each element of set A is in set B. And children, when set A is a subset of B, then children, B is a superset of A. And again, understand it one more time. If A is a subset of B, children, then B is a superset of A. Got the point? Now let us know some more facts clearly. First point is, children, if A is a subset of B, it means that A is contained in B, means all elements of A are in B. Secondly, this sign is the sign of superset. B is the superset of A. It means B contains A. Okay. Then A, and can you see this cut? It means A is not a subset of B. And this cut, can you see, children? It means B is not a superset of A. Every set, children, is a subset of itself. A is a subset of itself. B is a subset of B, and so on. An empty set is also a subset of every set. Okay, and so on. Now let's do one example. Find subset of this empty set. Since, children, every set is a subset of itself, first thing, and an empty set is also a subset of every set. Therefore, the subset of this is simple this. And for this, first you will make an empty set, then single A, then single B, and then together AB. Because empty set and the set itself are the subsets of the set. Then comes, children, proper set. The symbol of proper subset is simple this. Okay. All the subsets other than the set itself are called proper subsets. In this case, if I just write the proper subsets, I will not write this one, children. All the subsets other than the set itself, set ko hatakar, okay. So these are the proper subset. Now no set is proper subset of itself. When set A is proper subset of set B, then each element of set A is in set B. Okay, and number of elements in set A is less than the number of elements in set B, because A is a proper subset of B, children. So number of elements in A will be less than the number of elements in B. I hope this is clear to you. Now there is one formula, children. Number of subsets and number of proper subsets. These were the subsets and these are the proper subsets, but only if we need to find out the number. Then, for example, there is a set and it has got n elements. Okay. Then number of subsets 2 to the power n, and proper subsets 2 to the power n minus 1. Why minus 1? Because no set is proper subset of itself. Now, for example, this is a set. It has got how many elements, children? 2 elements, A and B. So number of elements n is equal to 2. So number of subsets will be, children, 2 to the power n. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. And number of its proper subsets 2 to the power n minus 1, children. So 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3. Now next comes, children, universal set. Any set which contains all the elements of various sets under discussion is called the universal set. For example, there is a set A 2, 3, 5, another set B 5, 6, 9, 12, another set C 3, 6, 9, 12. Then form a set, children, which contains every element of sets A, B and C. For example, now we have made this set. It has got all the elements of A, B and C. So this is called a universal set. Okay. Now this is the symbol of universal set C or U. This is called C. Now, universal set for the sets under consideration is not unique, children, कि only this can be the universal set. That is, we may have more than one universal set for the same set of same sets under consideration. Like we can, for these three sets, this can also be the universal set from 1 to 15, because all these numbers are in this also. Okay, also we can write set n, means set of natural numbers, because all these numbers are also lying in this. Now every set under discussion is a subset of the universal set. Okay, every set, children, is a subset of universal set, and universal set is also a subset of universal set, because every set is a subset of itself. I hope the theoretical part is clear. Now in my next video I will be starting the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.